not a huge cloud. It's a brush fire at the foothills over here. Coming up on it right now. It is extremely windy. You can see the trees off to the side here. Blowing, I mean, it's major wind. I would venture to say up to 70, 80 mile an hour gusts. I've seen semis sitting on the side. You can just see the wind in these trees. I'm going 50 and struggling to go 50 on the freeway right now. Sorry about that lens cap. We're getting really close to it. So we're at Cantu Galliano Ranch Road, coming up on the 60. It's in between the 60 and the 10, I think. Not to mention all the dust that's flying up right now. Extremely large amount of dust flying up. But we're getting there. Bear with me. This fire's probably gonna get like really out of hand really quick. I mean, just in this area right here, the wind is insane. Just look at these trees right here. And look at this traffic. Here we go. Must be an accident on the 60. There is a major accident. Major accident. Looks like two semis on the 60 westbound. 60 westbound, major accident. And traffic coming up towards this fire naturally because of the wind, making visibility very small. Very shallow visibility. Is very slow. I mean, you can hear the sand. You can hear the sand picking up. We also have an accident on the right here on the 15. We have fire trucks. Something happened there. Looks like someone may have gone down the ditch there. And maybe you can just hear the wind. It's blowing my truck. You know, I'm only going 35 miles an hour. It's blowing my truck everywhere. You can hear the sand just pelting the heck out of my car. And that truck almost flipped, that box truck. I don't know if you guys saw it in the video. This box truck got slammed with wind on the side right here. tipped over. So it's back, you know, over towards Scandia off the 15 North, if you know where Scandia is. It's just before the 10 freeway, which is where I have to go. I have to go down the 10 right now. That's where I have to go, and we're gonna get what looks like an amazing shot on the 10. Kind of leery of being around these little teeny box trucks. On the roads. Keep an eye out for other drivers. Only go safe speeds. Pay attention, because it could be a matter of life and death. Talk to you guys soon.